Jai Hind to everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very sensitive topic which is happening right now. So imagine waking up tomorrow and petrol prices suddenly double. Stock markets crash and global tension rises. All because of one narrow sea route in the Middle East. Yes, the conflict between Iran and the US is not just about two countries. It's about oil, power, global politics and your daily life. In this video, I will explain everything from the Gulf War history to the latest 2026 crisis and what could happen next. Let's understand this step by step. First, let's understand the Gulf War because this is where everything begins. In 1990, Iraq, led by Saddam Hussein, invaded Kuwait. Why? Mainly for oil and economic reasons. Iraq wanted control over Kuwait oil reserves. This alarmed the world, especially the US and its allies. In response, a coalition of over 30 countries launched a military operation called Operation Desert Storm. Within weeks, Iraq was defeated and Kuwait was freed. But this war had long-term consequences. The US established permanently military bases in the Gulf. Western influences increased in the region, and most importantly, Iran started feeling surrounded. This laid the foundation for the future tension. Now, let's discuss about the deep roots of Iran and US conflict. To truly understand this conflict, we need to go deeper. The turning point was 1979, the Islamic Revolution in Iran. Before that, Iran was closely allied with the US. But after the revolution, the new leadership rejected US alliance completely. Then came the hostage crisis, where American diplomats were held captive for 444 days. This destroyed trust between the two countries. In the 1980s, during the Iran-Iraq war, the US indirectly supported Iraq. This made Iran see the US as a permanent enemy. Fast forward to today, there are three major issues. First, the nuclear issue. The US believes Iran wants nuclear weapon. Iran says it is only for peaceful energy. Second is regional influence. Iran supports groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon and Houthis in Yemen. The US supports Israel and Gulf region. Third, ideology. Iran opposes Western dominance while the US promotes its global leadership. So this is not just a conflict, it's a long-standing geopolitical rivalry. Now let's come to the present, the 2026 crisis. Recently, tension have escalated dramatically. The US and its allies launched strikes on Iran's military infrastructure. Iran responded with missile and drone attacks, targeting US bases and strategic locations in the Gulf. This has created a highly volatile situation. But the most important factor here is the Strait of Hormuz. This is a narrow sea passage through which nearly 20% of global oil supply passes every day. Now imagine if Iran blocks this route, oil supply drops, prices rises, global inflation increases. That's why even a small conflict here becomes a global crisis. Another dangerous aspect is proxy warfare. Iran may not fight directly but can use elite groups in different countries. This makes the conflict unpredictable and widespread. This conflict is not just limited to Iran and the US. Other global powers are also involved. The US wants to maintain its dominance in the Middle East. China, on the other hand, depends heavily on the oil imports from this region and has growing economic ties with Iran. Russia also has a strategic relation with Iran and often opposes US policies. Even the UN tries to mediate, but major power often block strong action due to their interest. So this conflict is a part of a bigger global power struggle, right? Now let's talk about oil. The most important factor. The Middle East hold a large portion of the world's oil reserves. The Strait of Hormuz is like a choke point. If it gets blocked, global supply is affected instantly. This leads to increase in fuel prices, rise in inflation, higher cost of transportation, a slowdown in global economy. That's why countries across the world closely monitor this region. Now for India, this issue is extremely important. India imports a large portion of its oil from the Gulf region. Also, millions of Indians works in the Gulf country, sending remittances back home. India also has strategic projects like the Chabahar port in Iran, so India cannot take sides openly. It follows a balanced approach, maintaining relation with both the US and the Iran. So, what can be happen in the future? There are three possible scenarios. First, escalation. The conflict turns into a full-scale regional war. Second, control tension. Small attacks continue but no major war. Third, diplomacy. Negotiations reduce tension. The future depends on how both sides act in the coming months. So, in conclusion, the Iran US conflict is not just about two countries, it's about history, power, oil, and global politics. And its impact can reach every corner of the world, including India. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Comment your views. Stay tuned for the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.